Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Odile from Swan Lake, the villain in Dress to Impress. This is the Barbie's version, and also I want to mention no VIP needed for this, so let's get started. For the hair, I use this hair in black in this position, Y.61, Z.52. Rotate the X to 0.49 and scale it down to 0.32. Then I use this hair, it is in the masculine section, it's this one, in all black too. Position the Y at 0.53, Z 0.51, rotate the X to 0.55 and scale it to 0.53. Then I use these bangs in black, positioned it at Y 0.56. Also color your nails red. Then I'm just going to grab this dress here. In the third toggle, turn on the shoulder straps and turn off layer and belt. And then for the skirt, we're going to go here. We're going to get this magical girl set skirt, no bow, in black for the first and third toggle. And then for the second and fourth, select 9D612C for both of them. For the shoes, we're going to get the ballet shoes in the ballet toggle in this color for all of it. Now for the earrings, we're going to get the heart-shaped ones in this color, 9D612C. I think, wait, hold on, this skirt color is supposed to be this color, 673F1C, sorry. And then for the necklace, we're going to grab this one in the second toggle and color the second one darker red. And that's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.